Wherever you are watching me today, this is AY YouTube channel. Do you know you can perform your keyword research for your YouTube channel or your mobile phone? If you don't, I bet you this video will guide you through the step by step and how to do it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Welcome back to AY YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are just joining, you will be able to receive my latest video that I upload every week. So, let's dive into the matter. Go to google.com.
It's Pro, the unpredictable producer.
And search for Ahrefs keyword generators. Ahrefs keyword generator, and the first one comes. Now this is home page for Ahrefs keyword generator, free SEO tool for your either Google, Bing, YouTube. Now we are not doing it for blogging, although we are coming to blogging, but for now we are doing it for YouTube. How do you do it? Click on this, then type YouTube SEO on mobile phone. So if we ask you which area are you searching, United States or wherever, for the sake of this tutorial, I will be using United States as our target audience. It is doing keyword security verification with Cloudflare. Don't worry. Yes, success. It's loading. Oh, sorry, it doesn't. For us to get it, let's say keyword YouTube SEO. So we'll be able to see related keyword. Boom, it gives us YouTube SEO has total search volume of 2.5k. YouTube SEO tools. You see the related one that you can use, that you can write your content, or depending on the content, or depending on your YouTube channel. You see. So another one on the list is keyword tools.io. Now when you are in the home page of keywordtool.io, it will ask you either you want to perform the keyword research for Google, which is for your blog, your website, or you want to perform it for YouTube channel. So in order for you to do that, come here. It has a lot of, either you want to perform it for YouTube channel, Bing, Amazon, eBay, App Store, Play Store, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Google Trends, all of them. I'm going to drop tutorial on each of these particular names shortly after this. Now for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to do it for YouTube, because we are doing it for YouTube. How to do keyword research for your YouTube channel on your mobile phone. Now we are in the mobile phone. Let's say YouTube SEO. Now you can decide to choose task for is doing security. I have to check. It is loading. It is loading. It's loading. Total keywords that they discover without YouTube SEO, including the related keywords. So let's see. On keyword2.io, it says YouTube SEO has total search volume of 243,000. That's only one day. Or if you want to see all the tools, search volume, you need to do black car YouTube SEO, branding YouTube SEO, best YouTube SEO course, best free YouTube SEO tools, best YouTube SEO, best extension for YouTube SEO. There are a lot of them, but you cannot see their search volume. In order for you to see the search volume, what you need to do is to subscribe to their premium of keyword2.io, where you can be able to see all these YouTube SEO full course, YouTube SEO 2023, YouTube SEO tutorial, how to perform YouTube SEO on your mobile phone. All of them will be refilled to you when you subscribe. The total search volume.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's based up, bitch.